BYD, a global frontrunner in electric vehicles, has an enthralling tale of its ascent to the pinnacle and its prospects of maintaining that position. Initially dismissed and even ridiculed by Elon Musk until 2011, BYD had by the end of 2023 surpassed Tesla, clinching the global lead in electric vehicle production. In a remarkable turnaround, Musk has acknowledged BYD's prowess. Originally a manufacturer of batteries for budget cell phones, BYD has evolved to become the top seller of electric vehicles. This raises the question, how long can it keep up its prominent position? The trajectory of BYD, from a modest battery manufacturer to a titan in the electric vehicle (EV) industry, is not just a testament to its innovative prowess but also a reflection of the global shift towards sustainable transportation. This journey underscores the strategic foresight of its founder, Wang Chuanfu, and the company's ability to pivot and adapt to the evolving technological landscape. BYD's ascendancy in the electric vehicle market is underpinned by several strategic initiatives that extend beyond its foray into battery technology and electric cars. The company has aggressively pursued research and development, R&D, in renewable energy solutions, including solar farms and energy storage systems. This holistic approach to sustainability positions BYD as a comprehensive provider of green energy solutions, enhancing its brand image and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers and investors alike. Furthermore, BYD's commitment to vertical integration extends to the development of its proprietary electric motors and electronic control systems. This not only reduces reliance on external suppliers but also enables BYD to maintain stringent quality control over its products, ensuring that each vehicle meets the high standards expected by consumers. Such control over the supply chain is a significant competitive advantage, allowing BYD to respond more nimbly to market changes and consumer preferences. The company's global strategy has been marked by targeted expansions and partnerships. In Latin America, BYD has made significant inroads by supplying electric buses for public transportation systems, notably in cities like Santiago, Chile, and Bogotá, Colombia. These initiatives not only showcase BYD's capabilities in heavy-duty electric vehicles but also align with the region's growing emphasis on reducing urban pollution and improving public transportation infrastructure. By the close of 2023, BYD had outpaced Tesla in the sale of battery-only vehicles, selling 526,000 units compared to Tesla's 484,000. This achievement signifies a major shift in the automobile sector, with the bulk of BYD's sales occurring in China, its primary market. Here, it captured about 90% of its sales, benefiting from large-scale business and highly competitive pricing. This outcome wasn't entirely unforeseen. For the second consecutive year, BYD's production outstripped Tesla's. However, it was the first time BYD's purely electric vehicles were considered, excluding hybrids. At the Munich event in 2023, BYD proudly showcased its leadership over Tesla in the realm of pure electrics. Founded in 1995 with just 20 employees, BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, has grown into an electric behemoth. Established by Chinese chemist Wang Chuanfu, the company began by manufacturing lithium batteries for cell phones, expanding to supply giants like Motorola and Nokia as smartphones emerged. Chuanfu's interest in battery technology dates back to his college days. In 2003, BYD ventured into the automotive sector by acquiring Xi'an Qinchuan Automobile, marking the inception of BYD Auto. Its first combustion engine car, the F3, resembling the Toyota Corolla and priced much lower, was launched in 2005. In 2008, BYD introduced the F3DM, the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicle. Despite initial challenges, a $232 million investment from Warren Buffett in 2008 boosted BYD. In 2020, BYD launched the Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate battery that's cheaper than other lithium batteries for electric vehicles. This compact and safer battery was a strategic move. Incorporated into the sports sedan and other BYD models, it propelled the sales of its electric vehicles from about 131,000 in 2020 to 1.57 million the following year. BYD's battery expertise gives it an edge since 40% of an electric vehicle's cost comes from the battery. China's dominance in the electric vehicle sector is clear, with companies like NIO, and now BYD, focusing keenly on international markets. Particularly in Europe, BYD has introduced 3 models. Its selection as the electric car sponsor for Euro 2024 is no coincidence, signaling potential challenges for German automakers historically dominated by Volkswagen. BYD is becoming a globally recognized name. Initially established in Asia, its expansion is now worldwide. The success of Chinese electric cars, especially BYD's, is largely driven by government support. Substantial tax exemptions have allowed BYD to dominate the Chinese market, holding a 35% share, while Tesla has 7.8%. The key difference between Tesla and BYD lies in their market strategies. Tesla is known for its design and the desirable brand it has built. BYD, on the other hand, focuses on delivering value, offering more affordable prices thanks to subsidy aids. Another BYD tactic is initially focusing on less contested sectors, such as buses and fleets, allowing it to produce batteries on a large scale. This approach has not only contributed to its success but also provided a significant competitive edge. The company is notable for manufacturing many components in-house, eliminating extra costs, avoiding delays, and solving logistical issues, challenges that have beset competitors like Tesla. This method, known as vertical integration, gives BYD the agility to quickly adapt to market trends and strengthens its brand development and customer service. BYD is also striving to secure lithium resources, essential for battery production, further solidifying its position. This successful strategy seems poised to keep the company in the lead. While international expansion presents its own challenges, the growing demand in regions like Southeast Asia and Australia is promising. BYD already has a strong presence in Thailand but will face greater challenges in Europe. China's car industry has rapidly grown in Europe, causing tensions. The European Commission is scrutinizing these electric vehicle imports, potentially leading to higher tariffs. This examination stems from concerns over unfair competition due to Chinese government subsidies. However, raising tariffs could harm European brands. One aim of the scrutiny is to encourage companies like BYD to build factories in Europe. BYD plans to establish a facility in Hungary. Europe, in turn, is attempting to create its own battery supply network, facing challenges like sourcing essential materials locally. In the United States, the situation is more complex. Tensions between the US and China make BYD cautious about entering this market. The company has supplied electric buses to the US for years but does not sell cars there. This is likely to continue for a while, as a 27.5% tariff is currently imposed on cars imported from China. There's been much talk of Tesla's affordable electric cars, which have yet to hit the market. They could compete with low-cost Chinese vehicles. For now, BYD leads, but the competition is long. As Tesla and BYD vie for dominance, German brands like Volkswagen watch from a distance. To compete with BYD and Tesla, innovation and price are crucial. Could a new Chinese brand replicate BYD's success, as Geely did? We're witnessing a price war in the global electric vehicle market. Traditional brands are adjusting, and new competitors seek leadership. This benefits consumers and could boost electric car sales. However, the geopolitical landscape complicates matters. If other brands don't innovate, BYD will remain on top. But now we'd like to hear from you. Do you think the giant BYD will continue to lead? Comment below and don't forget to see what others are saying too.